We're here today working on a prescribed burn for the Department's Wildlife Habitat Enhancement Initiative. And this initiative was designed to help restore populations of selected species, in this case mule deer. And we're in Unit 16A, which is the Hualapai Mountains. And most of this habitat is the chaparral habitat type, and it gets really dense over time and loses a lot of its nutritious forage value. We've been limiting fires in these areas for a long time, putting them out when they occurred, and so we lose a lot of the value of the habitat for our mule deer. And by coming into these areas and setting some fires, we can actually set the stages back and provide more nutritious forage and allow some sunlight to get down to the ground where it will grow more grasses and forbs for wildlife. This area has traditionally had one of the higher population densities in this part of the state, and back in the 80s we had over 2,000 permits available in this particular unit, with a harvest up to 690 deer per year, and we're down to around 450 permits and probably a harvest of around 100 deer per year. So our populations are way down in this area, so we've started this initiative to try to see if we could put enough habitat work on the ground to bring the numbers back of the mule deer. And we've done a number of different things, including improving water distribution, and we're looking at some treatments like this with prescribed fire, maybe some other thinnings in the habitat, and also we're looking at possibly doing some predator control work.